Imagine a world where menstrual health is no longer a mystery, where every cycle provides vital insights into overall well being, and where sustainability and technology merge seamlessly to enhance personal health. Over 500 million people worldwide experience period poverty, lacking access to safe and hygienic menstrual products. Beyond affordability, traditional menstrual care solutions contribute to over 200,000 tons of waste annually, exacerbating global environmental concerns. However, one of the most pressing yet overlooked issues is the lack of menstrual health diagnostics. Millions of individuals remain unaware of potential health risks such as anemia and polycystic ovary syndrome, also known as PCOS, or hormonal imbalances, which could be detected through menstruation data. The menstrual product market has seen little innovation in real time health tracking, sustainability, and user convenience, creating a critical gap that Tulipon is designed to fill. Tulipon is a smart, washable, and reusable menstrual cup embedded with advanced electronic biomarkers that monitor blood flow, cycle patterns, and potential health indicators in real time. Hence, it eliminates single usage and raises awareness about menstrual health. The data seamlessly syncs with a mobile application, offering users precise insights into their menstrual health, including flow levels, period regularity, and possible warning signs of health conditions.
In any industry, growth isn't just about existing customers, it's about reaching new ones. The 3 tiers of non-customers reveal key expansion opportunities for Tulipon. First, the on-the-verge switchers are current users dissatisfied with traditional products, seeking better comfort and safety. Secondly, the purpose-driven rejectors are those who avoid current options due to health or cultural concerns. Lastly, we have the untapped first-timers, people who have never considered menstrual products due to stigma or lack of access. By addressing each group's needs, Tulipon will unlock new markets and drive innovation, creating a vast blue ocean of opportunities for change. Furthermore, Tulipon utilizes a fully recyclable, patented biocompatible polymer, materials made from sustainable or recycled sources that utilize carbon-neutral energy during production. Unlike silicone, these polymers can be efficiently reused or recycled without quality degradation, significantly reducing their carbon footprint compared to fossil-based plastics. What sets Tulipon apart is its dual impact, empowering individuals with personalized health insights while simultaneously addressing global sustainability challenges. By integrating health diagnostics into a widely used, eco-friendly menstrual product, Tulipon redefines menstrual care as both a necessity and a health innovation.
The global feminine hygiene industry is valued at over $25 billion and is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 6.5%. Within this, the menstrual cup segment is experiencing rapid adoption due to increased awareness of sustainability, cost-effectiveness, and health benefits. Tulipon opens a vast ocean of profit opportunities through the direct product sale and other revenue streams beyond the one-time product sale, including subscription-based model offering premium health insights, strategic partnership with NGO healthcare providers, and the government along with data analytic services for research organizations. Their 2B diagram highlights how Tulipon differentiates itself from the traditional menstrual cup industry by prioritizing innovation, health, safety, and biomarkers, offering a technologically advanced and user-centric alternative to conventional products. Unlike traditional menstrual cups, which focus solely on waste reduction, Tulipon provides real-time menstrual health tracking, bridging the gap between reproductive health and proactive diagnosis.
The As-Is strategy canvas compares Tulipon's competitive positioning against tampons and pads, highlighting its strengths such as cost-effectiveness, sustainability, and longevity, helping businesses and consumers make informed product choices based on value delivery. Compared to smart wearables that track overall wellness, Tulipon offers menstruation-specific insights with greater accuracy. Additionally, our commitment to sustainability caters to a growing segment of environmentally conscious consumers who demand both innovation and ethical responsibility in their purchases. Tulipon is more than a menstrual product. It is a movement, a revolutionary step towards sustainable, technology-driven period care that empowers individuals with vital health insights. As women of this new informed generation, we felt compelled to create a system made for us, by us. For years, women have been overlooked in the medical field, their pain written off due to simple lack of awareness and data within the community regarding female-specific illnesses. So, join us in creating a sustainable health tech product, transforming menstrual health from an overlooked issue into a global movement. Together, we can bring sustainability and innovation to millions worldwide. Thank you.